The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. Jesus said, I am the good shepherd. A good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. A hired man who is not a shepherd and whose sheep are not his own sees a wolf coming and leaves the sheep and runs away. And the wolf catches and scatters them. This is because he works for pay and has no concern for the sheep. I am the good shepherd, and I know mine, and mine know me, just as the Father knows me, and I know the Father. And I will lay down my life for the sheep. I have other sheep that do not belong to this fold. These also I must lead, and they will hear my voice, and there will be one flock, one shepherd. This is why the Father loves me, because I lay down my life in order to take it up again. No one takes it from me, but I lay it down on my own. I have power to lay it down, and power to take it up again. This command I have received from my Father. The Gospel of the Lord. A blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat, and welcome to our Sunday Gospel Reflection. And we are now on the fourth Sunday of the season of Easter. At alam niyo po, this Sunday is also called Good Shepherd Sunday. At sa ating pagninilay, we reflect on God as our Good Shepherd. Jesus, our Good Shepherd. At ano ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Ano ba ang significance nito? Ano ba yung idudulot nito sa atin? If Jesus is our shepherd, anong ibig sabihin nito? At alam niyo po, gagamit po ako ng 3 S para ipaliwanag po ito at gabayan po kayo sa inyong pagninilay this Good Shepherd Sunday. Unang-una po diyan is, if Jesus is our Good Shepherd, then everything is sufficient. Kumbaga, Jesus our Good Shepherd, Jesus our sufficiency. Ibig sabihin, walang kulang. Sapat. Kaya nga sa Psalm 23, anong sabi niya doon? The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Ibig sabihin, walang kulang. If Jesus is our good shepherd, we have everything. Nothing lacking at all. At alam niyo po, napakahalagang reminder po ito sa ating lahat. Because you see, there will always be a time that we feel something is missing. Something is lacking. Kahit nga ikaw ang pinakamagaling, parang may kulang, hindi ba? Kahit ikaw ang pinakamakapangyarihan, parang may kulang pa rin. Kahit ikaw ang pinakamayaman sa mundo, darating din yung panahon na feeling mo, may kulang pa rin. Something is missing. Because it is only in Jesus, our Good Shepherd, that we are complete, that we are sufficient, na walang kakulangan. Ang buhay sa piling ni Jesus na mabuting pastol ay buhay na masagana at walang kakulangan. Pangalawang S po dyan is security. Alam niyo po, lalong-lalo na. This is what we aspire for, our secured life. Kaya nga marami sa atin, how do you want to achieve security in your life? You save money. Hindi po ba? Or, you get an insurance. Or, most probably, mag-invest ka. Pero alam niyo, there's nothing secured. Kahit nga yung pera mo sa bangko, pwedeng mawala eh. Kahit nga yung investment mo, pwede kang malugi. You are not secured. Kahit nga sa bahay mo, kahit magpatayo ka ng napakataas, napakalaking bakod, you are not still secured. Bakit? Because it is only in Jesus where we feel secured. Kaya nga, it's a good reminder, no? Marami kasi tayong false securities in life. Akala natin, yung kapangyarihan will make us secured. Pera will make us secured. Material possessions will make us secured. But no! Nothing in this world can make us so secured than living a life in the presence of Jesus, the Good Shepherd. Sa pamamagitan lang o sa piling lang ni Jesus, matatagpuan ang true security sa buhay. And final S is serenity. Paano ba natin ita-translate ang serenity? Mas probably we can use the word kapanatagan. Panatag na buhay. Well, ano bang opposite ng buhay na hindi panatag? Takot. Nangangamba. Nag-aalala. Hindi ba marami sa atin? Ang daming pinangangambahan. Ang daming kinatatakutan sa buhay. Kumbaga, we are always worried every day. We worry about so many things and almost everything in life. Worried tayo sa health natin. Worried tayo sa security natin, sa future natin. But you see, if Jesus is our good shepherd, then we are serene. We experience serenity in life. Pag si Jesus ang ating mabuting pastol, panatag ang ating kaisipan, panatag ang ating puso't kalooban, wala tayong dapat ipangamba, wala tayong dapat katakutan sa piling ni Jesus. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, ngayong Good Shepherd Sunday, napakaganda that we are reminded. You see, only in Jesus can we find these three things we long for in life. Sufficiency, security, and serenity. Lagi niyong tatandaan, hindi niyo matatagpuan ito kahit kanino man o saan man. Matatagpuan at mararanasan lang natin ito sa piling ni Jesus, our Good Shepherd. Jesus, our Good Shepherd, is our sufficiency, our security, and our serenity. Muli po, Father Xavier Valbuena para sa dasal at pagninilay. At maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta ninyo sa ating YouTube channel at sana invite others to subscribe. And also, you can visit our Facebook page, Dasal at Pagninilay. And together, we inspire. God bless us all and keep safe always.